guys, it's Danielle and Cassie. So, today I'm going to be doing a vlog. Sorry for all the background noise, I'm just filming with YouTube right now. I know I could have some editing apps or something. I do, but it takes them a long time to upload. You know, I guess that's just why. So, right now, well, I'm gonna switch to my face cam in just a few minutes. Just need to open these blinds up. And so basically, it's raining, and yeah, it's kind of scary, just a little bit. Hold on, let me do something. Hi guys, me. You haven't seen me in a long time. Okay, so I like the lights off. We don't really have that much lights on except for my brother's, the office, and the kitchen because they're cooking breakfast or something. So yeah, I guess it's just thunderstorm, maybe power outage, but I will film that if the power does go out. Obviously, it hasn't yet because you can see some lights shining from the living room or something. But anyways, yeah, I'll film if there's like a power outage or something like that because we normally do that. I mean, by we, I mean me, because I just film with these two LPS. Yep. And, yeah, I guess we'll film if, like, there's a tornado warning, severe weather warning, something like that, or if there's a power outage. I'd say maybe there'd be a power outage. Well, I'd say there's a high risk at there being a power outage because, it happens a lot now, when we get storms. It's hurricane season. Yeah, it's June, it's hurricane season, and it happens a lot when there's storms, just like power outages and stuff, and, yeah, I guess that's just what happens, and, yeah. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing, Reagan? No, don't lock us in here. Ah, I'm escaping, yay. Woo. Hey, don't lock me in here. Fine, I'll get you out of there then. You know, it's just better to lift this back up. Sorry, you guys. Yeah. I really like, when the power goes out or if there's, like a severe weather warning. If there's a, like, real tornado warning and it's not just like a drill, I mean a tornado warning and it's not just like a drill, we, like, I would probably be, like, really scared. So our, like, hiding place for a tornado, warning or a tornado, would probably be really severe weather, like if a tree could fall on the house. It would probably be, well, it would absolutely be our pantry because it has no windows, has a wood door, no glass. So, yeah, that's our safest place for a tornado. And Danielle and Cassie. I keep on having to come up with new names for this pink and white cat because, like, I've gone through Sadie, Hannah, Lisa, Andrea, like, yeah. And, well, I guess this is just a vlog. I'm in my playroom right now. I like talking. Yeah, it's just really weathery outside. I mean, not weathery, but rainy, droopy, foggy. Oopsies, I just fell on my couch. That's funny. Okay. Yeah, I guess it's just rainy, droopy, foggy, thundering, definitely, lightning. Like, there was like 3 huge booms of thunder, or like thunder sounds, and like a lot of lightning. But now I guess it's calmed down a little bit more since I've been filming. But like I told you before, if there's a power outage, I guess I'll film it. So yeah, stay tuned for another video, and please don't leave because I may be posting shortly after this. Thank you. Bye guys. It's Cassie and Danielle.